Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Fatina Zira bint Abdul Muhammad from course Bachelor Education Science. So today I want to present about overall reflection. First question is description of your weekly activity experience. Throughout the week, my class conducted different activities that help us learn and grow. I listened to explanation from each group that had done the activities and took notes to better understand the topic. Group discussion and presentation were also conducted to improve teamwork and confidence in speaking. Second question is analysis of your experience as a game organizer. So, being a game organizer gave me the opportunity to develop my leadership, communication, and problem-solving skills. I learned the importance of giving clear instruction so that all participants understood the rules. Time management was also a change as I had to ensure that the game runs smoothly and fairly. Third question is analysis of your experience as a participant. So, as a participant, I experienced the fun and challenge of following the rules of the game while working with teammates. I learned the importance of listening carefully, collaborating, and adapting quickly to different situations. Sometimes it was not easy, but it taught me patience, patterns, teamwork, and how to stay positive whether I win or lose. And fourth question is personal attributes, strength, and weakness during the project. So during the project, I discovered several strengths that helped me contribute effectively. I demonstrated responsibility in completing tasks on time, good teamwork in working with others, and creativity in coming up with ideas. And I also managed to stay positive and which motivate my group members. However, I also noticed some weakness, such as being a bit nervous when giving presentation in front of others and the lecturer, and also sometimes struggling with the management. The weakness gave me room to improve for future project. And the last question is lifelong learning experiences gained in this class. So through this class, I learned many valuable lessons that I can apply outside of the classroom. I gained the ability to work effectively in a team, communicate clearly, and respect different opinions. This activity also taught me problem solving, creativity, and adaptability when faced with challenges. Most importantly, I realized the importance of integrity, collaboration, and continuous self-improvement. This lifelong learning experience will help me in studies, future career, and even everyday life. That's all. Thank you.